Hi guys, all of you, good evening. Guys, in today's session, we will see how to configure Nexus on AWS EC2 instances. Okay, so let me start to configure AWS EC2 first. Just click on that launch instances. Yes, now the name the server, whatever you want. Yes, now I'm naming that Nexus server and use the default AWS Amazon Linux. Next, change the server. Next, change the type. I'm choosing that T2 medium and the key pair. I'm selecting that market loss project and I'm editing that networking. This here I'm choosing for this time all traffic, but in real time we are not doing like this. We are accessing only particular port numbers and protocols only, but we are in R&D level now, so that reason we are choosing. Yes, now okay. The default size is storage size is 8 GB. That's enough for our Nexus repository. Okay, now this is the summary. If you are if you have any changes, yes, you can do the changes, or else you can continue with launching instance. Yes, next, successfully we have launched this one. Now click on that view all instances. Yes guys, now click on this one. Now click on the connect and click on that SSH client and take this one, copy this one and move to pem file location. See guys, in my mission I kept in downloads location. This is the pem file, so I kept this pem file in my downloads location. Yes, be in the empty place, click on that to show more options. Now choose that git bash here. If you haven't installed git bash, better to install that one, or else you can connect with the super putty and mobile stream also, anyone sss tool. Now paste here, just hit the enter. Yes, apply that by yes. Okay, so successfully we have connected. Yes, now apply that sudo su. Yes, see we switched it into root user. Next, apply that yum update icon by. If any updates are required, just do it. Okay, no more updates. Just now set the host name. At present, this is the host name. We are setting that host name. ctl set icon host name nexus server. Nexus server. Next exec dash. Now host name. See guys, this is the server. Next. Okay. So already we are having a document. You can go through the documentation guys. Yes. Yes, this one, take this one. This is the Sonatype configuration. Yes guys. Nexus installation on AWS EC2 instance. Already we have installed. Okay. If you haven't installed, better to install that. Now, so we are going to installing OpenJDK 11. AWS Extras Linux. Let's copy this one. Yes. Let's take the confirmation. Okay guys, now you can move to OPT. Yes. Now you can download this one. Yes, you can create this app directory or else you can move to OPT. That your wish guys. Okay. Now we are going to downloading that Nexus and we are going to extracting. Top space, that's a command wrong. Just copy this one. Yes, spelling mistake wget. Now guys, see, now tar space hyphen xvf nexus. Extract this one. Yes, we have extracted and so mv nexus. Just rename that. Okay. Next ll after rename. So vam slash opt nexus bin nexus nexus.rc. Open this one. Just uncomment this one and in the double quotes apply nexus. That's it guys. Escape shift colon duplicate. Next one is at space slash etc pass wd. See guys, here we don't have that nexus user at present. Now we are going to creating a user, the name of nexus. User add nexus ll. Sorry. See guys. Now just now we have created a user. Now what we are doing that ll for giving the ownership to Nexus user from root user. Now the root user having ownership on this Nexus and Sonatype directories. We are changing this ownership from root user to Nexus user. Yes, chown hyphen r Nexus colon Nexus slash opt Nexus. See guys, after changing the permissions, see now Nexus user is the owner to access this Nexus directory. At the same time, we are changing that to Sonatype also. Now, see guys, now the Nexus user is the owner to access that Nexus directory and Sonatype user. Now guys, it's almost okay. So we have renamed and we have given the permissions and okay, yes, we have modified nexus.rc file. Now take this file for starting the services. For starting the services, we are doing this one. Yes, nexus services. Yes, take this one, copy this one. But here we need to just wait, guys. Just wait. The same one, we need to avoid the space here. Just okay. See guys. So what we did? Okay, just okay. For our understanding purpose, the same one we are taking this one, copy this one, and move that file. Copy this one and be in the insert mode and paste it. That's it. And escape, shift colon W. Save this one. Now we are starting the service chconfig nexus on. Just copy this one. created a link and added into Nexus service. Now service Nexus status. Okay, we didn't start it now. Okay, enable understand the service. Yes, slash opt Nexus bin Nexus. Here start. Nexus service started. Now guys. Okay. Now move to browser. Java space hyphen version. So here we are having Java 11. Next now move to browser. Space B here. Move to instances. And again select this one. Copy this one. And move to new tab. And paste here. Colon. Guys, Nexus default port number is 8081. Take this one. Just wait, guys. Just wait. It will take some time. Yes, guys, successfully we have launched Nexus. Now click on that sign in. Default username is admin and its password is copy this one, select this one and move to terminal. Just apply the cat, paste here, hit the enter. We will get password. Yes, this is the encrypted password. Copy this one, select and copy this one and move to browser and paste here. Click on that sign in. Don't save this one because we will create a new password. Just click on that never, click on that next, and you can set the password whatever you want. So in my case, just wait. Okay guys, new password 1000 at the rate 123. I am taking this one guys. Copy this one and move to yes, new password. Yes, click on next. Now you can save this one if you are interested. Okay, so I'm not giving permission to access this server. Anonymous users, I'm disabling this one. Click on next, click on finish. Yes guys, see guys, successfully we have configured Nexus, okay, on AWS EC2 instance. This is the dashboard on Nexus configuration on AWS EC2 instance. In the next session, we will see how to integrate this Nexus with Jenkins server. Okay guys, thank you.